In this video, we will prepare the early model brake reservoir adapter. Instructions for the late model version are in a separate video. Hold the adapter from the L23A bag up to the brake fluid reservoir from your donor. Mark the bottom of the adapter as shown to align the fittings in later steps. Next, apply thread lock to the adapter and a fitting from the L23A bag. Then install the fitting. Tighten the fitting with a 3/8 or 9mm wrench. The size varies between batches of fittings. Be sure to align the fitting with the mark you made earlier. Repeat the steps to install and tighten the second fitting. Be sure to align the fitting with the mark you made earlier. Push the adapter and reservoir together. Applying brake fluid to the O-rings will make things go together easier. Install the 1032 bolts, flat washers, and nylok nuts from the L23A bag. Use a 5/32 Allen and a 3/8 wrench to tighten the hardware.